Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, me subscribers. Happy birthday, me viewers. I don't care how old are you. I don't care how old are you. All I want is to know that you having a happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my viewers and subscribers. Happy birthday to you. To each and every one of you out there having a birthday today, tomorrow, yesterday, last week, it doesn't matter when. From Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV, may I say, enough respect, enough blessings. Happy birthday and have a wonderful birthday. And remember, Merry Christmas when it comes. Rodney said that. Watch the video, like the video, share the video, comment on the video. Guys, watch the ads. Watch all of the ads them. Yes, because when you watch the ads, you help the channel, you help me, because you don't know, me not rich. We all want money. My viewers, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to my viewers and subscribers. Happy birthday to you. Bless.
What go me G?
Yo, John, man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney.
When them hungry, watch everybody.
Good morning, everybody. Good evening. Good afternoon. Any which part you're there in the world. Also, guys, you don't know if today is your birthday, if yesterday was your birthday, if tomorrow is your birthday. I, Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV, is wishing you a happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. I wish you a happy birthday. I wish you a happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. I don't care how old are you. I don't care how old are you. Happy birthday to my subscribers. Happy birthday to my viewers. I don't care how old are you. I just want to know say you're happy and I live your best life. Happy birthday to you. My viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. How you do? How you stay? You know, alright? I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. And as always, guys, remember what you do. If you feel any pain at all, check the doctor. Go to the doctor. Call the doctor. Make the doctor come over to you if you have the money to pay. And guys, you know, if you pay him one time to, you know, you can pay him little by little. But if you don't have the money to pay him, make somebody bring you to the doctor. Get your checkup. Get your checkup. And guys, this topic, this part of it is something that I am telling you to do. Wellness check. Do a wellness check by your family, your friends, your neighbor, anybody, even your enemy. Because remember this, mental health is not something to play with. Mental health crisis is not a joke. It is one of the most dangerous, damning thing can happen to anybody, because guess what happens? Mental health is something that it is said that they don't even know what is going on within themselves. So, to all of the people out there, remember, mental health crisis is no joke. It's not something to play with. And guys, remember what we are saying from the day Hurricane Melissa come. From the day, not today, from the day Hurricane Melissa come, we are talking about it. So, help anybody you can help. You know, even if you have no money, say a word of prayer. Yeah, man, you don't know. Christmas I come Jamaica and they want a llama, yama, what? All kind of sitting, but you know it's piece of pork and some curry goat and some cereal. Yes, my viewers and subscribers. What? My viewers and subscribers, you know, we did make a video yesterday. Me did make a video yesterday because one of the beautiful subscribers' birthday was yesterday, maybe more, but yesterday. So I was making a video yesterday to put up to say happy birthday to her yesterday, but you don't know, happy belated birthday to you yesterday and for you today or for whoever today. But for some reason, the video never want to upload. At one point, I couldn't find the video. I say, I wonder if that video not for make. And the beautiful people, that video really never did for make because Missy Mackie come out and people, listen to me good. Mackie, you come out, how much weeks late you come out and talk about you are saying wishes the same week when Hurricane Melissa happened. You come out and tear down and you lie about how you make the video long before. Why you so lie, brother? Why you so lie? How you make video before? You never make no video before. You too lie, man. You just try cover it up, make it look good. So tell me something. Let me say this to you. So you make the video some weeks before Hurricane Melissa. And you post that video right when Melissa gone. Right when Melissa gone. Why you couldn't put in a little clip in it and big up and say big up to the people and Melissa and we get. Why you do that? And as a matter of fact, listen to me. Oh, you're confused. You're like a confused like an old boy. You come on the TV, big up to the boo lifestyle. You're no boo lifestyle. Didn't the court tell you that there is no boo lifestyle? Didn't the court tell you that? Didn't the court tell you that that channel shouldn't have nothing to do with you? Didn't the court tell you that? Didn't the court tell you that? You so lie. What? Let me tell you something. How much video you make after that? Oh, may I show you how you lie. How much video did you make after that video that you make? That you say you make a while back and then post it right when Hurricane Melissa. How much video did you make after that? Why didn't you say anything in those videos? Even the on-demand video. Why you didn't say anything in the on-demand video about Hurricane Melissa? Fool, boy, idiot, no sense, user and abuser. Why you never make it in those videos? You say you have a lot of recordings. Yeah, you say you have a lot of recordings, a lot of it. But you read out some narcissist things and you make all kind of things. So I'm going to do this for you. People, my viewers, listen to what this conversation is. Good morning, Gemini.
Good morning again. I'm ready for whatever you'd like to discuss next.
Okay. What I would like to discuss now is from start. When an individual is married to a person and that individual come out of the relationship and calling the person narcissist and a little manipulator, and that individual not saying what he have done in the relationship, what kind of individual is that?
That scenario can be very complex and difficult. When someone leaves a marriage and publicly labels their former partner as a narcissist or manipulator while not acknowledging their own part, it might be a way to process the pain, seek validation, or shift blame. It doesn't necessarily mean their accusations are false, but it could suggest they're struggling with taking personal accountability for the relationship's dynamics.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you very much. Also, when an individual is going...
Yes. When you're ready.
Okay, what I really want to ask you is, when a man is in a relationship and they blame the other person for everything that went wrong in the relationship, and he take no accountability for nothing that happened in the relationship, what kind of individual would you say that is?
An individual who consistently blames their partner and takes no accountability in a relationship may exhibit traits associated with defensiveness, a lack of self-awareness, or even manipulative tendencies. This can be a sign of deeper personality issues that hinder a healthy connection.
Oh, thank you very much for saying that. Now, Gemini, I want you to explain to me when a man would call his ex-wife names like Jezebel, and call his ex-wife a narcissist, and call his ex-wife a manipulated person, while he will not take accountability for nothing that happened in the relationship. What would you say about that individual?
Using derogatory and potentially loaded terms like Jezebel, narcissist, and manipulator while deflecting responsibility can be a strong indicator of deep-seated defensiveness and an unwillingness to confront personal flaws. It might also be a form of emotional manipulation aimed at discrediting the other person. Does that help clarify things for you?
Yes, that helped clarify things for me. Now, this is a big one. I want you to explain to me, when a man is going off to their ex and using the ex young baby that just born, what would you say about an individual like that?
Using a newborn in personal disputes or going off to an ex in a public or harmful way is widely considered unacceptable and potentially damaging. This can be a sign of severe emotional distress, a lack of judgment, or a disregard for the well-being of both the ex-partner and the child. It often crosses personal boundaries and can be emotionally abusive.
Thank you very much, Gemini. Gemini, I want to ask you one final question. When a relationship is broken up and the man in the relationship would come on social media and talk about things that like like personal things that he bought for that lady that he used to be in a relationship with, and throw all dirty laundry out there, what would you call that kind of man?
That type of behavior, especially publicly disclosing personal and intimate details like purchases and airing dirty laundry on social media, often demonstrates a lack of respect and consideration for the ex-partner's privacy. It can be a form of retaliation or an attempt to control or harm their reputation, and doesn't reflect a healthy way to handle a breakup.
Also, one final thing, I said that was final earlier, but one final thing I want to say. Taking all these things onto YouTube channel to try to break the ex-partner down because you didn't get the money that you wanted to get out of her. What do you think? Do you think that is a manipulation, a more kind of harassment, a more kind of narcissist behavior? What do you think?
Taking actions like publicly trying to break someone down on social media, especially with personal or potentially false information, and seemingly for specific financial reasons, aligns with manipulative, harassing, and potentially narcissistic behaviors. It indicates a disregard for the other person's well-being and a focus on personal gain or revenge.
And finally, Gemini, when you in a relationship and you purchase things for your wife, used to be wife, you do things for your wife, what kind of man would come out on social media and say what he bought, what he gave to her and her family? What kind of man would do that?
A man who takes private details about purchases and gifts in a relationship and publicly shares them on social media might be driven by a desire to control, seek validation, or retaliate, especially if the relationship ends negatively. It can be a form of emotional exposure and typically lacks consideration for the other person's feelings.
Thank you very much, Gemini. And Gemini, I want to ask you this one question. The relationship was going on and they bought a bed together, and he took the bed while the lady wasn't home, and the lady said on social media that tell the people that she have no bed because her husband at the time took the bed, and he take it as a disrespect to him, and because she make a video saying that the ex-husband took the bed that she have to sleep on. Now he's doing all kind of videos, even playing voice notes that he video record and that he voice record of her from 2018, 2019, 2020. What would you say about that?
And what happened regarding the bed?
The ex-husband took the bed, and the ex-wife talks about the bed because they have a YouTube channel. So she showed the bed on YouTube. So when the ex-husband took the bed, she talks about the missing bed on her channel.
Right, and then the ex-husband reportedly makes videos and plays voice notes. This kind of escalation on social media could be seen as a form of continued conflict and public shaming, potentially aimed at damaging the ex-partner's reputation due to unresolved issues or perceived disrespect.
Gemini, this morning I want to say to you, thank you very, very much for helping me to clarify some of what I've been saying to my people, my subscribers, and my viewers. Thank you very much. And Gemini, if you don't mind, can you give me a brief breakdown of control, manipulation, narcissist behavior in a relationship?
You're very welcome. To give you a brief breakdown, control in a relationship involves one person dominating or restricting their partner's choices or actions. Manipulation is using deceit or clever tactics to get what one wants, often at the expense of the other. Narcissistic behavior typically includes a lack of empathy, a constant need for admiration, and a sense of entitlement. Does that distinction make sense?
Yes, that make a lot of sense. Now, I always say this is the last one, but Gemini, if you and your partner have money in a bank account and both of your name is in the account, however, you, the man, have never put any money in that account, is it legal for you to go to the bank and order the bank to give you half of the money in the account without the wife knowing?
In general, laws around joint bank accounts can vary. Typically, both parties are considered equal owners, meaning either can withdraw funds, even without the other's knowledge. However, the specifics can depend on the bank's agreement and state laws. Is there a particular situation you're concerned about?
Yes, because what happened was the husband pushed her to put his name on her bank account because he believes that she was hiding money from him. So when she put him on the account, he went into the account and pulled half of the money without him knowing, without her knowing. What do you think about that?
That sequence of events points to a significant breach of trust and potentially problematic behavior. Pressuring someone due to suspicions and then secretly withdrawing funds from a joint account, regardless of contributions, can be considered manipulative and potentially unethical, and may have legal consequences depending on the specific circumstances.
Gemini, I want to say to you, thank you very much. I appreciate you. I respect you. And I'll be back with some more questions.
Thank you too. I appreciate your engagement, and I'll be here whenever you have more questions.
Blessed, enough respect, stay blessed.
Thank you. You too. Wishing you all the best.
My viewers and subscribers, that was me and Gemini having some conversation. Now, you hear all of that. You hear what Gemini is my AI friend. Yes, is my AI friend. So, your sister may split justice. Yeah, you sister may split justice. Can me ask the question them both ways, yeah? And you hear the answer them. Let me tell you something. Mackie, your manipulation, your narcissist, your control behavior shows, brother. And before me going at that, me want to big up. Talk up the vibes. Talk up. Big up yourself. Talk up. Enough respect, mama. Enough respect. And I soon remember the other lady name. But now, me remember her name good. Me remember her name now. Hold on a little bit. Talk up the things. Big up yourself. And I want to big up. What's your name? Juliet Bless. Yeah, man. Juliet Bless. I say go. Big up yourself. My viewers and my subscribers. Mackie, as you say, lie. Mackie, as you say, will not stop. Mackie, as you say, have a plan. Me no care when none of you want to say. Uno Mackishas. Uno listen to anything. Me see some comment where people are say, We are here to listen to what you have to say. Listen. And Mackie, you play a video say how them are narcissists and controlling and manipulation group up. Who group up? Are you group up with your little group of them? Brokeback, Vibes with Rosa, Vibes, what's she name? Ambitious Jackie, and the other one they were named, what's she name? Lady Quiche. Are you and them group up? So everything what you're saying in your video, it point back on you. It point back on you. You are playing videos. Hold on a little bit. Hold on a little bit. Hold on. Gemini, I have to come back. I just remember something. Gemini, when you're in a relationship and you record, hold on, Gemini, let me ask the question really good. When you're in a relationship and you allegedly record or allegedly keep recordings, phone calls, video messages, and all kind of messages from your ex-partner for 6 years, what would you say about an individual like that?
Keeping alleged recordings of phone calls, video messages, and other communications for 6 years could be seen as highly premeditated and potentially manipulative. It might suggest a lack of trust or an intent to use those recordings for leverage, control, or harm in the future, especially after the relationship has ended.
Now, Gemini, what if I told you what you just said is the exact thing that this man is doing to this young lady with these voice notes?
If that's the case, then his behavior is indeed highly concerning, as it involves a calculated and prolonged effort to use private communication for potential harm or manipulation. This can have serious emotional and possibly legal repercussions.
Now, Gemini, my question to you is deep. Why would a man who married to a woman secretly, allegedly record and keep these ammunitions if he didn't have some issues and have a plan from day one?
You are right that such behavior often points to pre-existing issues or a deliberate plan. Secretly recording and collecting materials for years can indeed be interpreted as a calculated approach, suggesting intentions beyond just typical relationship dynamics. And
Gemini, this is the last one. No joke, for real. What would you say? Is there a concern, or would you be concerned, or should people be concerned about this kind of behavior?
Yes, this kind of behavior is definitely cause for concern. Secret recording, collecting ammunition, and using these things provocatively can be emotionally harmful, violate privacy, and indicate potentially abusive or manipulative tendencies in a relationship. It's important to be aware of such behaviors.
Gemini, I want to say thank you again. If in case I need any more question answered, I will reach out. Stay blessed. Now, my viewers and subscribers, did you all hear that? Huh? Did you all hear what my friend Gemini have to say? Manipulation, control, harassment. Him no realize that him a do. But listen me, and harassment, harassing Alicia Kim. Somebody send me a message and tell me that I am harassing Mackie. Now, my question to you is, why you don't go and tell Rumram, Ambitious Jackie, Vibes with Rosa, Vibes Studio, well, not Vibes Studio, Slackness Studio, and Lady Keish that they are harassing Alicia Kim? Why you don't do that? Why you all don't do that? And then you have a Asi, I won't call his name, because you know me call name, because I'm not cater. I won't call his name because I stripe him a look, and him not getting a stripe off of me. I see a content creator. I do, as a matter of fact, I don't even know his name. Say, oh, Mackie must take me to court. Now, if you are watching my video, because apparently I watch my video, you and Mackie come take me to court. The two of you come take me to court. Because guess what happened? Even though my beautiful viewers and subscribers said to me, well, my beautiful subscribers and my lovely viewers, because some of the viewers them not like me now. So me not gonna call them no beautiful or no lovely. Me call them no lovely. But my beautiful subscribers say to me, use you allegedly, even though you have the information. But let me tell you something. You little Krasmite. Because you're a Krasmite, me I call you. Let me tell you something. When me talk, me have documents, me have evidence, me have everything. When me talk, I don't come out here and just talk because this there so. Anytime you see this I move, me have evidence, me have backative. And remember me tell you nah go hear me say me have me back broad at all, you know, cause me nah go talk like your friend. Where I talk about him back broad and him thick and ready for take joke. You nah go hear me say them they sitting. Like where Rumram say, cause him back broad and him love to take joke and all of them sitting there. You nah go hear me say that. Cause me no in them the kind of world. So when you are say, carry me go court, you and him, come, carry me go court. Make me make you look like sashes in a courthouse. You hear me say it? I don't know me a go courthouse. Enough case me carry go courthouse. I don't know. So when you don't hear me talk, stay on one side. And if you don't have no sense, guy, you like a Krasmite. If you don't have no sense, and if you don't know, if you want to make a channel, no make a channel around me. Anyway, back to Mackie. Mackie, you come out and you call the young lady Alicia Kim name. And you're making yourself look like you make yourself look dumb and dumber and dumbest and dummies and dumb everything. Because you not have no sense. You not make no sense out of what you say. You not make no sense. Listen me good. I'm going to try to understand this, and to all of you Mackishas out there, because that name that when me used to call him Don, me not call him, hey, to each and every one out there, content creators, listen to what me I say. Stop calling that name. Yeah man, Alicia Kim call him that name because of what? The love that she have for him. Because one lady call me and tell me, say, Rodney, stop call him that name because I saw she call her husband. I may make a video, I make a mistake and call him the name, and the lady tell me, say she never did I go watch the video because me still I call him the name, and I will not call him that name no more. So here with me I say to each and every one of you, stop call him that name. And you see him come out, the big up crow and whatsoever lifestyle is back, because in confused. Mackie, Why you not come out and talk about the alleged $450 where the lady give you to come to her house to do secret lap dance? Allegedly, why you don't go and tell the people them about when you used to dance? And listen me, viewers and subscribers. This individual is still alive, still living. And her daughter said that whenever time mommy see him on the television, she have to roll off her wheelchair into her room. Mackie, why you don't tell the people out there that one of the reasons why you're doing this to Alicia Kim is because she is the one that you couldn't get to chastise and took her like you are a pimp. Hey, you ready? Man, I'm not ready for the war. I'm not ready for the... My viewers and subscribers, I never want to say this in this video, so far down in the video. But, Alicia Kim, I got a message for you. I got a message for you, Alicia Kim. And the message we me have for you is from some individual. They said to tell you, thank you very much to do what they couldn't have done. Thank you very much to stand up to this monster. They said thank you very much to outsmart this monster. They said thank you very much for let him not to get you broke. They said thank you very much to stand up for yourself. They said thank you very much to call him out for what he have done to them. Because what you did helped them to feel a little better about themselves. They said thank you very much. Mackie, let me tell you something. You believe you're mighty and you're strong and you are the man. But listen to me, Mackie. You are not the man. You was the man back then. Mackie, this morning, you're saying at the video where Alicia Kim, you say, oh, Alicia Kim say you don't have no money. And you are going to play a video about borrowing her money. Do you have sense? She say you don't have no money now. You don't have no money. She said it in her video. She borrowed the money from you. Simple. She borrowed money from you. That was when you sell the house. That was when you sell the house with Betty. That was when you get the money from the settlement with Betty. You have some money then. Come on, man. What wrong with you, man? That was when you have some money. But you don't have any money, just like all of us. Majority of people in America right now don't have no money. Yes, because America changed. America different. And let me say this to you. You talk about the month of November. Is very bad for you because of your mother. But in the month of November, you can post a video about Alicia Kim, don't? How bad the month of November is for you when you can make videos about Alicia Kim and post it about Alicia Kim. But that's the month that is so sad. You couldn't talk about your Jamaican, fellow Jamaicans. Yeah? You couldn't talk about them. You couldn't talk about them. in the month of November, but you can post video in the month of November talking about Alicia Kim. Even if you make the video January, you can post it in November, the month that is so damning to you, because that's the month that you lose your mother that you love so much. You lose your mother that you love so much, and you couldn't make any video. It's a down month for you, but that's the same month you can post a video about. How can you say you don't have the time because of your mother death, but yet still you can post a video? But you couldn't make a video saying about the hurricane relief. But no, you even say it yourself, it's late. It's way too late. It's like almost a month late. It's almost a month late. And guess what? Guess why you make that video? Guess why you make the video today? You make the video today because Alicia Kim gather some money to help hurricane people. Because you go in and you say some people are use it and I do it and I collect money fastly. That's why you make the video. That's the reason why you make the video. You never make the video because I no other reason talking about Hurricane Melissa. Because you wasn't going to talk about Hurricane Melissa. The only reason why you talk about Hurricane Melissa is because Alicia Kim was and did some things for the people. Let me tell you something. You is a viper. You is a crasmite. You is everything that's bad. Because guess what happened? All you're looking for is acknowledgement. And listen to me good now. Listen to me good. We all know age is a number. We all know that. And the way how you are operate out there, you are operate cheap. You are operate weak. You is a weak man. You need help. You need help, Mackie. You need help. And remember this. Remember, you've been in a lot of relationship, don't? Yes. Remember, me know. And guess what? Some of them have a message for you. Nah, telling you yet. Coming in the next video. Some of them have message for you. Some of them see you. Some of them talk about what you have done to them. Some of them talk about what you have done to their families. Some of them talk about kids that you have make walk out their lives. Because you don't like nobody. You don't like people. You don't respect people. Some of your friends and the viewers and subscribers, some people tell me when I can say their name or if I can say their name. Some people tell me they do not care if I use their name, yes or no, because they want him to know that they're the one saying it. However, I am making these videos differently. My viewers and subscribers, I see a lot of what people is saying. One lady says, why am I going off Mackie? And I'm going to answer that question. I am not going off Mackie. I'm going off men's that take advantage, men's that disrespect ladies, men's that do these kind of things when they cannot get them ways. Those are the men's I'm going off. I'm not setting out for Mackie. I'm talking on the behalf of all women out here. That's what I'm doing. My viewers and subscribers, until the next video, I see you know, I will see you know, I will hear you know. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to my subscribers. Happy birthdays to my viewers. Happy birthday, subscribers. Happy birthday to you.